Yeah, this is installing speakers in a 1990 Ford Corsiar or Nissan Pintara. So if you've got both, but this is the Ford. Okay, Tiny Teddies are here watching as well. So with this, take out the screw that's in your handle here. Pull the door forward; it'll pop out. You don't have to take it off because it was a pain in the ass. It got stuck, and it was a pain in the ass. Don't bother taking it off. You can pull it forward enough to get your hand in there, unscrew them, and then put the wire and do the new one. So that's what I'm doing right now. That one's out, the speaker's on the ground. I'm doing this one. New speakers are ready, soldered and heat shrinked, and the old one's there. As you can see, it's missing all of its rubber surround, but it actually still worked. One's hooked up now in the Corsiar. I'm just going to test it right now, right here. Anyway, turn it back down. That's not too bad for 25 bucks. Sounds okay actually, pretty clear. There we go, in the door. Bolt straight in because it's got all those holes. Now let it go. And there it is, in the door. We're in the Corsiar. He's got all 4 new speakers now. He's got the lows in the back. You can see that install. Go down my videos a bit. And he's got the new Polk audios. Is there any fader on? Oh yeah, that is the fader. Not bad. Oh, that's a roll kit, right? Okay. Waiting for the bass. Great, sounds okay. All good.